rescuer organization that you work with, or are you
Yes,
independent?
I am independent, and I am the founder of Clark Park, Forgotten Barks and Friends here at Clark Park.
Excellent. So what happens here at Clark Park?
About 2 months ago, we found a dog. He was really had been bitten up by another dog, and some people bring their dogs here and they attack the strays. They bring their dogs to fight the strays.
Is this an organized thing? Does it happen on a schedule? Is it what? How do you think it works?
No, they just people, individuals coming with their dogs.
Okay, so it can happen
At any time.
At
This
any
can happen
time.
at any time.
I see. And where do they do it here? This looks like a really nice community
Right.
park.
It has happened here during the day. When we removed Goliath, it had happened during the day.
Wow. And
Yes.
so is Bobby part of this?
Bobby is one of the dogs here, and we're hoping it doesn't happen to him like it happened to the other dogs. We have removed 6 dogs already.
So what else about the Houston stray dogs do you know?
Oh, they are everywhere. They are everywhere. I mean, just yesterday I was at a location, and there's even a bag where the dog has been killed inside, and they're there. Just everywhere. The feeder and myself, and we all try to go feed them and take them snacks and try to find them homes. Like Bobby here, hopefully we'll find him a home before anything tragic happens to him.
Right. Do you have a particular feeding route that you go on?
Yes, it's all in this area that we go on.
Okay.
Yes.
And this area seems to have an awful lot of dogs. We were just driving around earlier, and 6,
Yes.
7, 8 that we saw just going up and down a couple of streets.
Oh yes, there's a lot of them. I mean, any street you go, there they are, everywhere.
And do you think in this neighborhood any of them are actually owned, but they just wander around the streets, or are they really truly stray?
They're really truly strays.
Okay.
Well, we do educate the people here on Thursdays. We pass out flyers to report any kind of dog fight.
This is it.